The red thing.
You pinch the back of Papa? What you doing? Papa? Are you massaging the back of Papa? Massage. Kapag news mo man?
It's upstairs. Later, no?
What you doing there? Oh, you're massaging the back of Papa. Na. You're massaging the back of Papa. And you're pinching the red. Oh, that's nice. Dun.
Okay, that's enough na. Cover na.
Oh, where is the... Papa?
Cover.
Mama?
Cover na the...
Where are the red? Where are the red things?
Hindi sa gusto ko eh.
Oh, you still want to pinch the red thing in the back of Papa?
There. Oh, there's no hero.
Oh, you're hugging Papa there and massaging. Massage. There you go. Say hi.
Say hi to Mama.
What are you doing? You're massaging the back of Papa?
Yeah, because Papa is very old.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Ulo ka